With most email services, your emails are safe with encryption in transfer. But how private are they when stored on the cloud in clear text? MeSign enables you to easily encrypt your emails in transit and at rest, making sure your privacy is protected fully the whole way. To make end-to-end encryption of emails easy and accessible for everyone, we have developed MeSign app, an encrypted email client based on MeSign encryption. Being the most secure encryption technology, MeSign is a complex technology and it is challenging for regular users to implement it manually. MeSign app provides a fully automated MeSign encryption for everyone. All you need to do is download the app, log in with your email account. In a few moments your email address will be validated, the email certificates issued, installed and configured automatically, and you can start sending emails same way as you are used to. At MeSign, privacy of our customers' data is our top priority. We encrypt the mailbox for you, but we do not store your emails, or your account password. They are stored in cipher on your email servers. In MeSign app your emails will be automatically encrypted, digitally signed and timestamped. If you wish you can turn off the digital signature and encryption at any time. MeSign is available for free on Android, iOS and Windows, so you can stay connected and send encrypted emails from your mobile phone or your laptop no matter where you are. Spam and malware checks, automatic renewal of expired certificates, and many more features. Download MeSign now and discover.